What's up, guys? Today I just wanted to talk to you real quick about this leather knife roll. I've been living and working out of this converted van for about the last 4 years and recently took a trip to Japan and got some really nice knives, and I wanted a way to keep them secure as we drive around and keep them from getting dinged up and just keep them all safe and sound. This is a fantastic product. I love the leather finish right here. Like, it pretty much looks as good as the day I bought it, which was about 6-7 months ago. Just a really nice look, and it has a really sturdy feel to it. Like, as you can see, it's got some burliness to it. It has these straps that you can just tie on the outside to keep everything secure, and it holds, like I said, really nicely. On the inside here, you can see it has this kind of velvet pocket structure and this little flap to keep the handles nice and secure. It's got 6 different slots for knives. This has handled kind of a variety of knives. As you can see, this is about a 10-inch chef's knife. This is one of my Japanese meat cutting knives, and then this is a vegetable knife. So handles a wide variety of shapes and sizes, and just looks really good as well. So if you're looking for a way to kind of manage your knives and keep them nice and safe, I would highly recommend this product. It works great, and one of my favorite things that I've added to the van recently. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.